Winter in Minnesota usually means freezing temps, short days, and huge snowfalls to contend with. Usually, the long, dark, and cold Minnesota winter has everyone, including me, looking forward to the warmer temps and longer spring days. While I anticipate seeing more of the sun and not having to warm up my car, what I love most about spring is how everything comes back to life. All the dormant plants and trees begin to sprout, the grass greens up, and once the ground is ready, I get to plant my garden. God's creation is an encyclopedia of knowledge that we can all learn from. Throughout the year, I have referred to our theme verse, which has numerous lessons that connect us to how God intentionally designed every person and the whole world around us. The Bible makes many references to new beginnings. In 2 Corinthians 5:17, we read, "Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, he's a new creation. Old things have passed away. Behold, all things have become new." As we start to see winter melt away and spring come to life, I encourage you to take time to marvel at the world around you. In doing so, you will see examples of how God brings what looks old and sometimes even dead back to life during this season. We all have things in our life that must pass away so that a new creation can show through. We are reminded in Philippians 3:13 through 14 not to dwell on the past when we read, "Brothers and sisters, I do not consider myself yet to have taken hold of it. But one thing I do, forgetting what is behind and straining toward what is ahead. I press on toward the goal to win the prize for which God has called me heavenward in Christ Jesus." In this season of new beginnings, where bare trees will soon grow fresh new leaves and empty flower beds will display a beautiful array of colors. I love how this verse encourages us to forget what is behind so we can focus on God's future plan for our lives. I urge you to use this time of the year to find the areas of your life that are ready to sprout and bring forth new beginnings. Let your springtime be one where new buds appear in your life and it blossoms. God bless you, Maranatha.